Good morning. Now discuss about series resonance circuit. A series RLC circuit has a resistance of 5 ohm, inductance of 10 millihenry, and a capacitance of 1 microfarad with an applied voltage of 100 volt. Variable frequency, calculating resonance frequency, circuit current and voltage across the inductor and capacitor. Also, find the quality factor. Given data, connection, series, RL, that means the resistance 5 ohm, inductance 10 millihenry, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, capacitance 1 microfarad, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Voltage is equal to 100. To find resonance frequency, circuit current, potential difference across inductance and capacitance, and then last one, Q factor. Resonance frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root L C, 1 by 2 pi 3.14 root L. L means 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to resonance frequency 1592 Hertz. Circuit current I is equal to 0 by R. V means 100, resistance 5 ohm, 20 amps. The next circuit current 20 amps. Q factor 1 by R root of L by C. 1 by 5 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then Q factor is equal to 20. Then potential difference across inductor I into Xn. I means 20, 2 by 2 into 3.14 into 592 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then 2000 volt. Potential across a capacitor is equal to 2000 volt. Next problem. A series circuit contains a resistance of 4 ohm and inductance of 0.5 Henry and a variable capacitor across a 100 volt 50 Hertz. Find the capacitance getting resonance. The potential difference across the inductance and capacitance, the Q factor of the series circuit. Given data, series R is equal to 4 ohm, inductance of 0.5 Henry, voltage 100 volt, frequency 50 Hertz. Capacitance, to find the capacitance, potential difference, inductance and capacitance, Q factor. Here X is equal to Xc, 2 pi Fl is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. H is equal to 1 by 4 pi squared H squared L. Then 1 by 4 into 3.14 whole squared into 50 squared into 0.5. Then capacitance is equal to 20.28 microfarad. Circuit current I is equal to V divided by R. Then 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25 amps. Next Q factor 1 by R is equal to root of L by C. 1 by 4 root of 0.5 divided by 20.28 into 10 to the power minus 6, and Q factor is equal to 39.25. Voltage potential difference across the inductor is equal to I into 2 pi Fr into L. Here current value 25 amps, 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 0.5. This is equal to 3,925 volt. Same value, potential difference across a capacitor is equal to 3,925 volt. In RLC series resonance circuit of 10 ohm and inductance of 20 millihenry is connected series with the 0.5 microfarad capacitor. First one, calculate the resonance frequency, Q factor, half power frequency, bandwidth and power consumed at resonance if applied voltage to a circuit is 200 volt AC. Given data, connection, series connection, resistance 10 ohm, Inductance 20 millihenry, 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Then capacitance 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Voltage 200 volt. To find the resonance frequency, Q factor, bandwidth, half power frequency, power consumed. First calculate the resonance frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. 2 into 3.14 root LC to 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Here the resonance frequency 1592 Hertz. Next calculate the Q factor. Q factor is equal to 1 by R divided by 1 by R into root of L by C. 1 by 10 root of 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and Q factor is equal to 20. Half power frequency, lower cutoff frequency, FR minus R divided by 4 pi L. 1592 minus 10 divided by 4 pi into 4 pi into 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 1552. Upper cutoff frequency FR plus R divided by 4 pi L. 1592 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4 pi into 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That is equal to 1592 plus 39.8 is equal to 1632 Hertz. Bandwidth F2 minus F1 and 1632 minus 1552 is equal to 80 Hertz. And power is equal to V into cos theta. Then 200 into V divided by R. I is equal to into cos theta means unity power factor 1. Then power is equal to 4000 watts. Answer, resonance frequency 1592, Q factor 20, half power frequency F1, lower cutoff frequency 1552 and higher cutoff frequency 1632. Then bandwidth 80, then power is equal to 4000 watts. Next, an RLC series consists of resistance 10 ohm and inductance of 100 millihenry and a capacitance of 10 microfarad. If a voltage of 100 volt is applied across a combines, first one is the resonance frequency, second one Q factor of the circuit, third one bandwidth, and fourth one half power frequency, fifth power. Connection series, resistance 10 ohm, inductance 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 millihenry, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 power farad, microfarad, voltage 100 volt. To find the resonance frequency, Q factor, bandwidth, half power frequency, power consumed. Resonance frequency F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC is equal to 1 by 2 into 3.14 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to 159 Hertz. And Q factor is equal to 1 by R root of L by C. Then Q factor 1 by 10 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to Q factor is equal to 10. Half power frequency, lower cutoff frequency FR minus R divided by 4 pi L, 159 minus 10 divided by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 159 minus 7.96, 151 Hertz. Then higher cutoff frequency FR plus R divided by 4 pi L. 159 plus 10 divided by 4 pi into 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 159 plus 7.96, 167 Hertz. Bandwidth F2 minus F1. 167 minus 151, 16 Hertz. And power is equal to V into I cos theta. 100 into V divided by R, 100 divided by 10 into 1. Here power is equal to 1000 watts. Answer, resonance frequency F1, resonance frequency for 159 Hertz. Second one Q factor 10, bandwidth 16 Hertz. Then fourth one is the half power frequency, that means lower cutoff frequency F1, 151 Hertz. Upper cutoff frequency F2 is equal to 167 Hertz. and power is equal to 1000 watts. Thank you.